For today's learning, we're going to start looking at Japanese internment camps. What you guys realize is that Japan attacked the United States at Pearl Harbor, but something that happened in the United States after that was Japanese internment camps. Now, internment camps are very different than the death and concentration camps during World War II in Europe in regards to treatment of people and what happened to the Jews versus what happened to Japanese Americans. So please make sure as you're thinking this through and watching these video clips, you're realizing that these are things that happen to Japanese Americans in the United States, and they're called internment camps. Whereas in Europe, they were death camps or concentration camps, and that was happening to Jewish people and other people that the Nazis viewed as not worthy. So what you're going to do is there's 4 clips that I've provided for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to watch them and you're going to be thinking ultimately on this essential question. Why were Japanese Americans put into internment camps and was it justifiable? So you're going to be looking at this for evidence from the perspective of both the United States and Japanese Americans. Okay, so you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to upload the Japanese internment document into your World War II learning work. And then you're going to watch the 4 clips provided and fill in the document. And then last but not least, at the very bottom, there's 2 questions that you are going to answer, the last being the essential question that we just talked about up here. The document looks like this. Now, the essential questions up here are a little bit different than the one that you're going to answer down at the bottom. But ultimately, these are essential questions to focus on as you are taking notes. So why were the Japanese interned during World War II? And you're going to give me the United States' viewpoint as why Japanese Americans were interned and the Japanese Americans' viewpoint. Then you're going to tell me what happened at these internment camps according to the United States and according to Japanese Americans. And then the last thing you're going to do is talk about how Japanese American lives were changed by the order for them to be moved to internment camps. So when this order came in, how did their lives have to change because they were being moved into internment camps? And those notes are going to go over here as well, okay? When you're done watching the 4 clips and you have some good information from both viewpoints, then what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to form your own opinion about why Japanese Americans were interned. So you're going to go through the list of information that you found and ultimately you're going to tell me why were they interned. And then after you have created your own conclusion, you're going to come down here and explain whether you thought it was justifiable, why or why not. So basically you're going to tell me, do you think it was justifiable, and then provide evidence to support what you were thinking. These are the 4 clips that you will be watching. So you'll have the executive order. So this was given out by the government ordering Japanese Americans to internment camps. This is a video on internment camps, as well as a link to a video on YouTube about internment camps. And then this is actually an interview from an internment camp prisoner. And he's going to share with you his experiences in an internment camp. So you're going to watch these 4 clips. And then you're going to take notes and ultimately form an opinion on whether you thought internment camps were justifiable, why or why not. As always, you can ask me questions in class, send me a Schoology message, or we can set up a time to meet one-on-one via WebEx.